Good morning, student. Now we shall see the next part of this chapter, that is exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Okay. What first we see exterior angle of a triangle. Okay. So exterior angle means, see, suppose this is your triangle ABC. Okay, this ABC, and exterior angle means that you have to increase, or this angle lie in the exterior of a triangle ABC. So this angle, that is AC, and we take a next point D. So ACD, angle ACD are called exterior angle. Okay, and which are the interior angles here? Angle A, angle B, and angle C. These three angles are interior, and exterior angle is ACD. So, and we say that, see here, angle ACD, this angle. Okay, and angle ACD, what types of angle? They are adjacent to each other. See here, this angle ACD, and angle ACB are adjacent to each other. These are adjacent angle, common arm. Okay, and this interior area is different. So these two angles are adjacent to each other. Okay. And one more thing here, these two angle A, this angle A and angle B, these are interior opposite angle. This is exterior angle. Okay, this is exterior angle ACD, and these the opposite angles are A and B, and these are interior. Okay, so opposite angle of angle ACD are angle A and angle B, interior opposite angles. Then, so how can we say here? An exterior angle of a triangle is an angle formed by one side of triangle. This is one side of triangle and the extension of an adjacent side. This is adjacent side. This is, okay, this extension of an adjacent side of triangle. This extends. So here we get exterior angle, and at each vertex we have two way of forming exterior angle. Okay, now you understand this. The exterior angle are this. So here we get two way, we form the exterior angle. See here, suppose again we draw here angle this type. See here, this is triangle, so you have to form here exterior angle. So first हमने यहाँ पे ये देखा था, this is exterior angle. Again suppose we increase this line. Now we increase this line, so here we get this angle also exterior angle. Okay, so here we get this vertex C having at least two, forming an two way of forming exterior angle. Again suppose हमने A side increase की. ओके, सो ए साइड इंक्रीज की, सो कौन सा एंगल मिला हमें? ए बी सी डी. ओके, दिस वे, दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. अगेन सपोज वी इंक्रीज दिस साइड, बी ए को हमने इंक्रीज किया, एक्सटेंशन किया. ओके, सो कौन सा एंगल मिला हमें? दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ओके, देखो ये एक्सटीरियर है, दिस इज ट्रायंगल, एंड इसका एक्सटीरियर एंगल कौन सा? ये. सपोज वी इंक्रीज द अगेन दिस साइड, ए बी को हमें इस साइड इंक्रीज, तो कौन सा एक्सटीरियर एंगल मिला हमें? ये. दिस इज ट्रायंगल एंड दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ओके, सपोज वी इंक्रीज विथ साइड बी सी को हमने इंक्रीज किया, बी सी को इंक्रीज किया, तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल हमें कौन सा मिला? लाइक दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सो दिस इज ट्रायंगल. Okay, this is triangle and this is exterior angle. Means you have to say that at each vertex, these are vertex A, B, C, we have two way of forming an exterior angle. Okay, we have two way forming exterior angle. Okay, बिकॉज हियर वी गेट टू साइड्स. तो आप जो भी साइड इंक्रीज करोगे उसके साइड में हमें एक एंगल मिलेगा, वो एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ओके, सो वी हैव टू वे ऑफ फॉर्मिंग एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ओके, सो नाउ सी हियर. See, this is again figure. This is triangle ABC. Exterior angle is ACD. So the measurement of exterior angle, okay, that is measure of angle ACD. Okay, we write here short form M for measure of angle ACD equal to, what is the two angle? Interior angle here, opposite interior angle this, and measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. Okay, we get what is the value of angle ACD? ACD is equal to the interior opposite angles. These are opposite angles, interior opposite angle. So this property is called as exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, this property is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. Remember this. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of internal opposite angle. This property is known as external angle property of a triangle. Now see how to is possible. See here. Here two exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Now you have to prove that कि angle MC, angle ACD equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. Okay, now you have to prove this. How to prove? So see here, you have to draw a parallel line to BA. BA को parallel line करनी है draw. So you have to take this C point. C point से हमने क्या किया? You have to draw here one parallel line. Okay, CE. See, now these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, now step angle. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. Okay, this angle X and this is angle Y. Now we write the step. So angle 1 and angle Y, angle X, both are equal. Why? Angle 1 equal to angle X. So यहाँ पे कौन से? तो you know that the parallel line कौन से यहाँ पे? AB, line segment AB parallel to CE. Okay, these two lines are parallel, and AC is a transversal. So you know that in transversal line, in parallel line, when in parallel line, these alternate angles, these two angles are कौन से ये? See, these are alternate angles. So the alternate angles are equal in parallel line. Okay, so यहाँ पे transversal कौन सा है? AC is a transversal. AB and CE both are parallel line to each other. Then next is angle 2 and angle Y. Okay, both are equal. Why? See here, अभी वापस हमें क्या लेना है? You have to take the parallel line BA parallel to CE. Okay, again same. These two lines are parallel to each other, but transversal is different. अभी यहाँ पे transversal कौन सा आएगा? BC is a transversal. Okay, sorry, BD or BC. You have to take this BD, and BD is transversal. Okay, so यहाँ पे कौन सी लाइन आएगी? देखो अभी, this is BD, this is transversal, these two line parallel to each other. Suppose हमने ये लाइन इंक्रीज की यहाँ पे. Okay, so ये दोनों एंगल कैसे दिख रहे हैं आपको? See here, don't consider this line. Okay, you have to see only these two line. तो यहाँ पे y and 2 both are pair of corresponding angle, दोनों लाइन के ऊपर है. देखो सी ए बी लाइन के ऊपर है y और 2b लाइन के ऊपर है. सो दीज आर पेयर ऑफ corresponding angles, so both are equal. Okay, so means angle A and angle A plus angle 2 is equal, then angle X plus angle Y also equal. So we say that angle X and Y means कौन सा एंगल बनेगा? Angle X and Y means एंगल ACD. ओके, एंगल एक्स और वाई मिलके कौन सा एंगल बना? ACD. दिस एंगल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट, एक्स एंड वाई. सो टोटल एक्स और वाई मिलके हमें क्या मिला यहाँ पे? एंगल ACD. सो यू ऑलरेडी से दैट. सो इन अबोव रिलेशन वी से दैट द angle 1 plus angle 2 we get angle ACD. This is your answer. Okay, we prove that here angle 1 plus 2 we get here exterior angle, and this property is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, so this is your exterior angle property of a triangle. Now see here, see in your textbook, exterior angle can be formed by a triangle in a many way. Three of them are shown here. Okay, so figure is given. Now you have to, there are three more way of getting exterior angle. Try to produce this rough sketch. Okay, so you have to draw this diagram and exterior angle कौन सा निकाल सकते हो? So suppose you have to extend this side, so we get this exterior angle. Okay, this is one. Then second figure, यहाँ पे भी आप draw कर सकते हो. You have to draw here also. So you have to extend this line this way and you get this exterior angle. Okay, in this figure you have to increase this line this side. So here we get again this is exterior angle. Okay, in this way you have to get your answer. Okay, then are the exterior angle formed at each vertex of a triangle? No, the exterior angle formed at each vertex of a triangle are not equal. Okay, so these all जो एंगल यहाँ पे फॉर्म हो रहे एक्सटीरियर एंगल, दे आर नॉट इक्वल. ओके, सो दे आर ओनली बी इक्वल इफ द ट्रायंगल इज इक्विलैटरल. एक्सटीरियर एंगल फॉर्म एट ईच वर्टेक्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल आर इक्वल? नो. यहाँ पे जो एंगल फॉर्म हो रहे थे इक्वल है? नो. सी हियर, दिस इज साइज ऑफ दिस एंगल इन दिस ट्रायंगल. ये देखो, ये ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल दिख रहा है. दिस इज लाइक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, ऐसे दिख रहा है. सी हियर. सो the exterior angle formed at each vertex of a triangle is not equal. This is only possible in equilateral triangle because the sides are equal. Okay, so this is your answer is no. This is possible only in equilateral triangle. Then what can you say about the sum of exterior angle of a triangle and its adjacent interior angle? So exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle form a linear pair. See in this figure, this is exterior angle ACD and ACB, both are adjacent to each other. Okay, we already discussed this. These two angles are adjacent to each other. So what is the measurement of this angle? 180 degree. See here, this is 180 degree. So these are, they form a linear pair. So you have to write here an exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle form a linear pair. Therefore, the sum of exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair कितना रहता है? 180 degree. Okay, so these two angles are 180 degree. Then next, see here. See here, one question is given. Find the angle X. This is angle is given. Okay, and this is exterior angle. sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. This is exterior angle property of a triangle. You already know that. So sum of this 50 plus x. X means you have to take the other interior angle be x. Okay, so x plus 50 we get 110. This is given. This is we get equation. You have to solve this. What is the value of x? 110 minus 50. We get here 60. So here we get the value of x is 60 degree. So what is this angle? 60 degree. Then what can you say about each of the interior opposite angle when exterior angle is right angle? What can you say each of the interior opposite angle? Okay, see here in right angle what happen? See here in this figure in right angle, this is right angle, this is exterior angle. So we can say about each of the interior opposite angle when exterior angle is right angle. Okay, here exterior angle is right angle, this is exterior angle. So we increase this area, this is angle. So in this figure the both interior angles are acute angle. Okay, so if the exterior angle is obtuse angle, see in this figure, see this is exterior angle is obtuse angle. So here at least one of the interior angle is acute angle. ये 90 डिग्री का भी आ सकता है और obtuse angle भी आ सकता है. तो at least one of the interior angle is acute angle. And if the exterior angle is acute angle, see this is exterior angle is acute angle. So you have to draw a figure. Now we get this A, B, C and this is exterior. So this is exterior angle. So here each of the interior opposite angle as acute angle. Okay, in when the exterior angle is acute angle. Okay, this is question number 1. Then next is, can the exterior angle of a triangle be a straight angle? No, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ये कभी भी स्ट्रेट एंगल नहीं आएगा. एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऐसे ही आएगा. ओके, एक्यूट एंगल और ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल और राइट एंगल, नॉट अ स्ट्रेट एंगल, नेवर. ओके, सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल of a triangle, not a straight angle. Okay, this is your questions from your textbook. Now see here, try this. Okay, now we solve this question. Exercise 6.2. Okay, find the value of unknown exterior angle x is given in a following diagram. See here, now we draw here figure. This figure is given in your textbook. This is exercise 6.2 question number 1. Okay, so this figure is given. Now see, you have to find the value of x, means value of exterior angle. Now you know the property, exterior angle property of a triangle. That is, you have to write exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angle. Okay, this is your property. Okay, this is exterior angle property of a triangle. So first you have to write the first step, this interior angle is equal to sum of two interior angle. So what is the exterior angle? This is given, x is given, x. Then sum of two interior angle means 50 degree plus 70 degree. So what is your answer? 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 7, 12. So we get the exterior angle 120 degree. This is your answer. Again you have to write here exterior angle of a two interior angle. In bracket you have to write which property is this. You have to write by exterior angle property. Okay, this is by exterior angle property. In this way you have to solve the question number 1. Okay, now see question number 2. So again this is figure is given. Now again you have to find the exterior angle. So again first step is same. Exterior angle equal to sum of two interior angle. Okay, by, in bracket you have to write by which property? By exterior property of an exterior angle property. You directly write this exterior angle property. Okay, this is your first step. Then write exterior angle is given x, sum of two interior angle means 65 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, so we get 5 plus 5 0, 1 carry over, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11, 110 degree. So what is the value of x? 110 degree. Okay, in this way you have to complete a question number 1 in your notebook. Then see next. See, question number 2 is find the value of unknown interior angle x in the following figure. See here, यहाँ पे अभी इंटीरियर एंगल आपको फाइंड करना है. इन दिस first question you have to find the exterior angle. Now you have to find the interior angle. So how to again same. Okay, so first step again is same. See, this is your question 1 and 2. Okay, first step again same. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. Okay, this is you have to write this first step in both the question. Okay, I write it in common by exterior angle property. This is your first step. Now you have to find the value of x. One exterior angle is given, that is 115 degree is equal to sum of two interior angle x plus 50 degree. Now we get here equation. Now you have to solve this. What is the value of x? You have to find the value of x. So you have to put x here. Okay, and go this 15 go this side. X 115 degree minus 50 degree. So 115 degree minus 50 means 5 minus 0 5. 11 minus 5 6. So we get the value of x is 65 degree. Okay, see here we get the minus, we get value of x is 60. In this triangle again you have to write this same step. Okay, exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angle by exterior angle property. Then next step you have to write 100 degree is equal to x plus 70 degree. Okay, now you have to solve this equation. You have to remove this 70, move this 70 to right hand side. 100 degree minus 70 degree, though we get the value of x. 100 minus 70 we get 30 degree. So what is the value of x? 30. So in this way you have to complete the exercise 6.2. So what is the homework today? You have to write heading. Okay, this heading exterior angle of a triangle. You have to write this diagram. Okay, and right here ACD, angle ACD is a exterior angle, and angle A and angle B are interior opposite angles. Now you have to indicate only these two things. Okay, angle ACD is exterior angle, and angle A and angle B are इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल. ओके, आपको ये हेडिंग लिखना है, इसके आगे इसके एंगल्स लिखने. देन यू हैव टू राइट एक्सटीरियर एंगल. दिस इज प्रॉपर्टी. एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ टू इंटीरियर एंगल, एंड राइट द here write this property. Okay, this is your homework. Then you have to solve exercise 6.2 in your notebook. Okay, this both the question 1 and 2. This is your today's homework. Thank you.